Hey Bailey, just a short video to show you some features in Newsela. Newsela is a paid resource that provides text in a searchable topic areas for teachers. And you can even assign those texts to students as well as adjust the reading level. So let me just show you how to get there. The entry point for Newsela is through Canvas. So this is my dashboard. I'm going to click into one of my courses. And here on the side, you're going to see a tab for Newsela. When you get there, you have the ability to search as well as, let's say you're doing growth mindset. You can drill down to text level. You can drill down to grade level. Let's say you want to look at some stuff. You want to see what's out there for middle school and high school. There's lots of different ways you can drill your search down. You can narrow it down to certain things that you're specifically looking for, but I think that's fine. Let's just see what's out there. Let's say you find something that you like. When you click into it, you can adjust the reading level, and you can assign that. Let me go back here because the screencasting wasn't on the assign button. So you can assign it to students. You can create a class. You can grab the link. You can do lots of different things with these specific articles. And each one of the articles, if I go back, have activities that have already been developed. There's this button over here. There's quiz features, and there's a writing feature. So I hope that's helpful. Again, it's a paid resource through the district, and there's lots of different resources that might be helpful to you.